This is my 1977 Ford Thunderbird. Currently has 43,600 actual miles on it. I've had it 18 years and it had 42,300, I believe, when I bought it. I was hoping for a sunshine day, but it's a little bit cloudy. But you can still see the fantastic paint on the car, how it shines, reflects the it's absolutely perfect original condition. When these were new, I was getting out of college, and I remember seeing them on the transport truck down in Kingsville, Texas. I'm currently in Stafford, Texas, but I thought the basket handle, the crown over the top was really cool looking. And all that trim on the side is actually die-cast chrome metal, versus the General Motors cars of this time period, like the Monte Carlos, they had plastic, which didn't hold up too well. And I thought they had cool tail lights. Couldn't afford one back then in 1977, but finally got one. You can see the really shiny paint, real slick. And the taillight lenses, the sun's not out, but it's they're just like brand new. Originally it came with the Polycast wheels, which I still have them with the twin white wall tires on them. But and they're like brand new. But I like the wire wheels. They have a little bit more shine to them. But you can see up at the instrument panel, it's just spotless, like it's a showroom car. Same way in the back, the package tray is just mint condition. And the interior is very nice. I like the way the doors, when they open, it releases the seat back, where you don't have to push a lever. You hear like a little click. Anyway, so this is it. Has the original 8-track quadraphonic stereo, which works. Doors sound like a brand new car. Still has the original mud flaps on it. Also, a lot of times those are destroyed or taken off, but they actually came with those. All 4 of them are intact and zero rust, and all the bumper filler is perfect. So just about like a brand new car. Rides really nice. Got a 351 in it. I just put a new Motorcraft clone 2150 carburetor on it. I was recently having a little bit of an issue with at constant speeds, but now it's pretty much perfect again. So that's my 1977 Ford Thunderbird with only 43,600 miles on it. Too bad the sun's not out today, but you can kind of see the see how nice this paint is on it.